Hello friends! Do you like the animals? I love them. Today we are going to learn about farm animals. Cow, sheep, goose, horse, chicken, goat, pig, donkey, duck, rabbit.
Thanks for watching. Well, that's all for today. We'll see you on our next video. Till then, bye bye.